So please remember, ladies and gentlemen, and here's a controversial statement that a lot of people may not agree, but it happens in real life. Oftentimes, people do not end up choosing the best product in the market. Oftentimes, they rather choose the product that's easy for them to use and understand. Amen. Right? So, sometimes people might say, John, why are they buying that product? Why are they using that product? That product sucks. That product is so low quality. Why are they still buying it? The answer is simple. Yes, it's low quality, but customers understand it. Customers get it. The goal here, and please do not misconstrue here, my point is not to say that you don't need to become the best. You can be the best product in the market, but if people do not understand you, because it's complicated to understand and you complicate the explanation, people will think twice.